Black Friday is finally here, and today we're talking about brands like EG4, Signature Solar, and Shop Solar. If you guys are looking for power station deals, we have a whole other video related to that. Today we're going to be talking just about traditional solar gear, batteries, inverters, solar panels, all that kind of stuff. You guys know here at the lab, not only are we all about giving you guys honest feedback and opinions, we also like saving you guys some money where we can, because while all this technology is great, it's also expensive. So for the last couple weeks, Tiny Baby has been working super hard, arm wrestling these companies to get quite possibly the best deals on the internet come Black Friday. Everything that we talk about today is stackable. So all these brands have their sales, and any discount code that we are able to get stacks on top of their sale to save you guys as much money as humanly possible this weekend. Anything we talk about today will be linked in the description down below with links to the site and the coupon code. You can just copy and paste it to make sure it's spelled correctly and everything. Any of the links in the description down below are affiliate links, which means we earn a small percent of money. If you guys buy something, it doesn't cost you guys any extra. It actually saves you guys money, and it helps us to be able to reinvest back into our team to make even better videos for you guys in the future.
Yeah, Tiny Baby and Robbie taking over the world. Let's go.
TV.
We're Tiny Baby, and we're giving you guys some deals so you can save some money.
So let's jump into it. Every deal that we're going to talk about today is guaranteed at least from Friday to Sunday. Starting with Signature Solar. As you guys know, Signature Solar is the go-to place for EG4 products and solar panels. We're huge fans of their customer service. We've mystery shopped them before, and they do really, really well. Their team knows their product inside and out, and they're all based in Texas. They have a great company going on down there. It's genuinely the #1 place we recommend any friends and family that are looking for this kind of stuff to go shop. They do have a little bit of weirdness going on here. You can use the code The Solar Lab Get 50 for an additional $50 off all orders. That stacks on top of any sale that we talk about. So Friday, you get 10% off batteries. That means you get products like the server rack batteries, like the LL Life Power 4s. You get the wall mount batteries, their new 314 amp hour wall mount battery. They also carry stuff that's not EG4, so you can get like the Husky battery that we really like. They also have stuff like LG and Pites on there. On Friday, you can get 10% off all batteries. You buy 2 batteries, and you get 10% off any inverter. That's Friday. The code stacks on top of that. Saturday, starting at 7 a.m., you get 10% off converters. So if you need batteries and an inverter, buy Friday. If you just need an inverter, buy it on Saturday. You can get stuff like the EG4 off-grids, the Flex Boss series, the Grid Boss, all that jazz, 10% off. And they also said that they have some of our lowest pricing on panels starting Friday until sold out. Not sure what that means.
Yeah, they were very vague. They did not give me a great description, but if you're going to buy panels, now is probably a really good time to do it.
And speaking of not being clear, another thing they said is that they have the EG4 ground mount, the bright mount, on a flash sale. It's currently not in stock on their website, so we're hoping that they're putting them available when this flash sale starts. Otherwise, this one makes no sense. And they have a $100 flat rate shipping on $3,000 orders or more. So if you buy a pallet of panels or some batteries, inverters, whatever, it's $100 to ship it, which is honestly, that saves you a ton of money, because this is heavy stuff. This isn't shipping socks and underwear. This is shipping hundreds of pounds of things, so that shipping adds up fast. Either way, no matter what you're looking at Signature Solar, you can use the code The Solar Lab Get 50, which we need a shorter one for next year, for an additional $50 off everything on their site. Shop Solar is the other online store that we recommend buying stuff like this. They also sell EG4 products, but they also offer a bunch of other things that we really like the Rich Solar Alpha 5 Pro batteries that you just can't get at Signature Solar. They also have inverters and products like Solark and a bunch of other brands. So this is another store that we really like sending people to. They also sell a bunch of their stuff in pre-made bundles. So you can buy like batteries with panels and inverters, all that pre-bundled up. Saves you a good amount of money. They do have some pretty decent customer support. We've called them and stuff in the past. And in terms of their sale details, you right now can get up to 30% off site-wide. We could go over specific kits all day long, but they have a lot of stuff on that site. You have free shipping over $7,500, which if you're spending $7,500, you're saving thousands on shipping at that point.
Hundreds or thousands. And also, I believe it's free shipping on all solar generator kits Although this video doesn't pertain to that,
Yeah, that's a
I'm
good
pretty
deal.
sure you can get free shipping on any EcoFlow, Anchor,
Nice.
anything else.
And right now, they do have a website code floating around for 3% off, but they gave us a code, The Lab. It'll get you 4% off everything that they have on their site. So no matter what you're looking at, no matter what bundle, inverters, batteries, we'll leave a link to their kind of sale page. You can go check all that stuff out. And you can use the code The Lab for an additional 4% off everything on their site.
Which will be the best deal on the internet.
It's approved by this tiny guy in the corner. Can you see him? He's right here. Shop Solar also has really good deals on power stations and bundles. We mentioned all the power station stuff in another video, but if you go check out Shop Solar's website, that code also applies to all their power station bundles and all that kind of stuff too. Those are the two stores that we would recommend you guys to shop at on Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or any other day of the week or the year of the month of the century, because right now they're like the two sites that we trust. So go check them out, use our code, make sure you guys are subscribed if you're not already, so you don't miss any future videos and sales videos. Any of this changes or there's any like major changes, we will not only make changes in the description down below, but we will probably post another video if it's like super major, just to try to help you guys stay informed. So make sure you guys are subscribed. Otherwise, we will catch you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out and stay charged.